If you are wondering how many eSIMs can we have on the Google Pixel 11 Pro, then let me quickly answer the question for you. So generally speaking, if you want to set up eSIM on this phone, if you wish to add as many eSIMs as possible, then you should be able to add multiple eSIM profiles. That shouldn't be really a problem. There is no clear answer on how many you can get specifically. I assume that is going to be something around 8 eSIMs. This is according to some sources, but actually the Google website doesn't really specify how many exactly you can get. It just says you can store multiple eSIM profiles. And if you are wondering how many of them you can use at once, then the answer is 2. So you can use 2 eSIMs at once, as long as you do not have a physical SIM card activated over here. So you have an option to use physical SIM plus eSIM at the same time, or instead of using the physical SIM, you can use just 2 eSIMs at once. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.